Kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is number names from 50 to 60. So let us start our class. 51 FIFTYONE 51 51 52 FIFTYTWO 52 52 53 FIFTYTHREE 53 54 FIFTYFOUR 54 55 FIFTYFIVE 55 56 FIFTYSIX 56 57 FIFTYSEVEN 57 58 FIFTYEIGHT 58 59 FIFTYNINE 59 60 SIXTY 60. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.